rollover day for the euro currency. You can look at that if you're charting the @EC. You'll see this orange C, which means data correction, and you always see that around rollover. And so in the top of your bar, you'll see, let me expand this out, you'll see December, and then when you apply this correction, you right-click, apply correction to this window. Actually, it still says December, but it should roll over to, I believe we should be rolling over to March tomorrow. So look for that to say March. Let me check the prices. So when I plot the ECZ16, it shows 105.11.5 versus 105.80, 105.58.5. So this is December ECZ16, and this is it usually updates. It'll probably update tonight. That should say March. So when we say March ECH17, $105, yeah, so it's March. Make sure you roll over to March if you haven't yet. @EC is now ECH17, even though it doesn't say MAR17 in that band. It probably will update by tomorrow. That's just a short-term thing. When you usually see that orange C, it usually takes a day for, I guess, to update everything. The prices have updated, but the March 17 has not updated. So let's look at the FOMC trades today. We had a pre-trade. Since we're making the video, might as well show the post trades. And in our base set of systems, no trades, so we're flat there. On our bonus strategies, we hit our profit target overnight, and crude oil after hours we're short again at 50-80 area, and the weekly inventories initial profit came back, hit our stop. Tick pulse, thought we would get stopped out in that as the market rallied after the FOMC meeting. Came down, we hit our profit target, got in again. So kind of around break even today on that because it took the second trade and the market had this counter trend rally. It's such a strong bull market that it's always going to take those shots when it's down at making some counter trend moves, and so it would have been nice not to have had this trade, but we did, and so we're around break even. But the good news is the gap fill in reverse from our book got short with a $300 profit target, and you see 275 down there because we take out 25 slippage and commission on the chart indicator. And the 50K portfolio, no trades. So we are actually we covered we talked about this morning. We covered our swing soybean meal trade, and so not a lot of activity. Some nice price movement in the stock indexes, and the euro currency is down, working towards parity. Bonds sold off as well. So we'll see what happens with stocks, if they continue their move higher to 2,300, or if they take a little break here. 2250 will probably be a magnet. That market usually likes those numbers like that, 2250, 250 point level in the S&Ps. And so that's the update for rolling over the euro currency and the post FOMC trades.